Some scientists think it's connected to empathy, the ability to understand and share someone else's feelings. Studies have found that people who score higher on empathy tests are more likely to catch yawns from others. Even more fascinating, animals, like dogs and chimpanzees, can catch yawns from humans, which suggests this might be an ancient social behavior, not just a human thing. But here's where it gets even stranger. Babies don't catch yawns, and people with certain conditions, like autism, are less likely to do it. That supports the idea that contagious yawning is linked to social bonding. Maybe, way back in our evolutionary past, when humans lived in tight-knit groups, yawning was a way to silently communicate, like saying, "Hey, I'm tired,"